Hey everyone, this is a bike check of my premium 3-ring. I decided to paint my frame and plus a set of my premium bars and try it out, and I think it looks great. So yeah, no bar ends right now. Yeah, I don't want to take them out of my Colt bars. ODI long neck grips, the soft ones. Well, soft compound models, whatever else. Premium bars, not sure which ones. I think they're like the copy versions of the whiskey bars. They're 825 tall. And I have a E-Claw Sniper 2-finger lever with a SST cable. Moving down, I have the Colony Squareback. It's a great stem. I love it. It looks amazing. Salt Plus gyro. Yeah, I have a scooter top cap here. It's the only black one I had. Sucks, but whatever. More SST cables, just normal Y cables. Premium 3-ring frame, 20.75 top tube, 13.6 rear end right now, over like a 13-inch slammed on my Colony. I have Colt Sect V2 forks with the Colony front wheel, the Wasp hub, and the Pinnacle rim. I have the Maxxis DTH 2.2 tire. It doesn't really matter, but running like 112 psi in there right now, so a little over the full pressure. Super solid. United seat with a whatever brand of seat post. Probably not even a brand. Just seat clamp, regular DK one. Moving over this way, I have Colony CC sprocket, 25 tooth, KMC 710 SL chain, 25/9 gearing, stock premium cranks, they're crap, they keep loosening up. Colony fantastic plastic pedals. In the back I have a Diatec Ombre brake with Odyssey pads, and they're clear as well. Maxxis DTH tire again, running about right at 110, so tiny bit softer. Same Colony wheel on the back, but except for it has a Wasp cassette. Yeah, Wasp rear hub, 9-tooth, clicks a lot. And the back rim is actually a Colony Pintour, which is a pinned version of the Contour rim. There's a logo. I guess I could throw out a hub sound now. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, the bottom bracket is just stock bottom bracket. It's whatever. I don't know if I mentioned the Salt Plus gyro. Probably did, but whatever. So here's my hub sound. Okay, that should do it. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm not really holding my phone very well. But yeah, that's the hub sound, and the bike's great. I love it. I have some BSD pegs I can throw on, but don't feel like it right now. That's my bike. Another little look around, and thanks for watching.